And good day. Today we're looking at this. It's the YX car charger. It's for the Mavic Mini. What I'll do is I'll pop the box down and we'll zoom in a little bit because my hands aren't the steadiest holding this. And there you go. And as you can see, it says car charger for Mavic Mini. It's got temperature for charging is between 0 and 40 degrees Celsius. Input voltage is 12 volt to 16 volt. DC output is 8.4 volts, 3.5 amps, that's times 2. USB is 5 volts at 2 amps. Charging time of around 50 minutes, so this is extra fast. Now let's just cut this thing open. I'll go that side, I think it is. That'll do. How do we? Okay. Nothing else in the box. We have instructions, which I'll go through and have a bit of a read of. So I'll hold that there so you can see what they are. Flip over the other side. That's in Chinese. So let's have a look at this. And that's it. So we have the car charger, 2 little plugs, and obviously a USB plug here for your controller. So that is rather handy. I'm looking forward to testing this out and see if it's any good. I've taken the charger outside and about to plug it into the back of the vehicle. The LED goes from green to red to show that it's actually charging. We've got the charging lights coming across the controller. I've currently got one battery connected, second one, well, nothing there at the moment. I'm still waiting for it to arrive. It's been on order for a while, maybe next month, month after, who knows. Anyway, in theory, what this is meant to do is charge everything from a 30% state right to fully charged within 50 minutes. I'll put the results into the video description at a later date. If you like what you see, please click the subscribe and the bell icon next to it. Select all and you'll catch up with me on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the best till then. Bye.